Hey guys, this is Omer again. So I made the last video part one, and this will be part two for choosing the right Clopay garage door for yourself. I'm gonna do another video, probably another video after this one, because there's a lot of things to cover, and I want you guys to be able to do the best job, and kind of like being able to choose and know what you want before we talk or before you going to approach any other dealer in South Florida. So that's what I'm doing. Yeah, so in the last video we kind of like covered the model 9208. I want to go back a little bit to the basics of what you need to do before or what you can do before you choose a specific model. And what you can do is actually pretty simple. So Clopay, they have this design your door tool right here that you can click on. You can also, if you're on our website joesdoors.com, you can go to the Clopay garage door page we did, and then scroll down all the way, and you will have this tool right here. And then you just like kind of put your zip code, start. It's important to put the right zip code because it's already like focusing you on the doors that you can get for this zip code. So for example, me, I live in Plantation. You need to have like a specific wind load, and now the system will not offer doors that are not fitting the requirements in my area. And then next thing you do, you choose the home that you can upload your home, but it's not working so good all the time. I wouldn't go there. Just choose something that look close to whatever home you have. So let's say if you have two garages, one for a 2-car and another one for a 1-car garage, let's say you choose this one, and next step, and then you start designing the door. So let's start designing the first door, and then it's kind of like showing you. It's pretty nice. They kind of show you like all the different models that you can choose, different designs, and then they kind of like narrow down to like the way that you want to have the windows and the color. So let's say we choose I don't know, I like the Coachman. So after we choose the Coachman, you kind of like put it there. You see already how we can see the door changes, and you choose the design. You can see the same thing actually on the brochure, but it's kind of like helping you to have a visual. So you see here all the different designs. So now you can just choose whatever design you like. So for example, I like design 21. We set it pretty much, I'd say. So you want to go to and scroll down, and you see design 21. Let's choose this one, and then choose construction. You choose if you want to have it insulated or not. For the purpose of the illustration, it doesn't really make any difference because it is the structure of the door, so you don't see anything from the outside. But let's say we just choose the 18.4 because it has more options in terms of colors and stuff like this. And then we choose the overlay color. You can choose if you want to have it white or you want to have it almond, and then you can see the differences of the overlay of the door. I'd go with white, and of course you have more. And then we're choosing the way we want to have the windows. Let's say we choose the SQ24. That's a nice window, and impact resistant windows. And of course you can also choose some handles and some hardware to add. Let's say we choose the handles, and more handles, and more accessories to the door. You see it getting better. And of course we can do the same for the second door. It's asked us if we want to copy. We will probably copy because we don't want to make anything that looks weird now. So we're just gonna go a bit laggy, I guess. And yeah, and you got the idea. After you got everything, you can see exactly what type of how will it look. Sorry about it. How will it look on your house or a house that looks similar to your house, and you can get the idea. And next thing you do, you just take a screenshot or you take a picture with your phone and you send it to us, and then we kind of like quote you for this door, It's very simple for us when you do it. Yeah, you can actually click on get a quote, first name, city, zip code, and everything, and then submit my quote request. Super simple, and yeah, so that's the basic. I mean, after you choose, it makes things easier. And as you can see, we went over Coachman. Coachman is like kind of like garage door that you see it gives a classic elegance look to the home. It's kind of like country. It comes in a high wind load. You got to be careful again. It depends what type of windows, what type of design, and what type of insulation. But we know how to match it. You see there are different models and different wind loads. So make sure you give us a call if you want to go with a Coachman. This is just one option. As I said in the first part of the other video, Avante is something that a lot of contractors and actually homeowners as well, they like to choose this garage door. They're more expensive. I mean, for a double car garage door, you can pay like $20,000 if you go with the specific features. For one car garage, you can end up paying like even up to $10,000 or so if you choose specific features in terms of wind load and different types of windows and stuff like this. So again, like there are a lot of different options with Clopay. We are a dealer. We're a Clopay dealer. You can find us on their website. If you put your zip code, you can see here if we're close to you, and then you can click on get a quote, and basically we got all your information, and we can start the process with you. One last thing before we say goodbye and we meet on the third part is the lead times. Let's just cover quickly. You know what? Let's just do it on the next video. Thank you very much for your time. If you want to learn more about lead times of different doors, join us for the next video, and I will cover it there. Thank you very much. Have a good day. Bye bye.